Want to change the priority of Wi-Fi networks on your Windows 11 PC? I'll show you how in this video. Type Command Prompt, or CMD, in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt shown at the top of the search results. Then click on Run as Administrator from the list. Type the following command in the Command Prompt window: NetShopLAN Show Profiles. Press Enter key. You will now be able to see all the wireless network connections that are linked to your computer. Note down the name of the Wi-Fi you want to prioritize. The connections will be shown in the order of precedence. If you want to change this order, you will need to write the following command in the Command Prompt window: NetShopLAN Set Profile. Order name, your Wi-Fi name. Interface, Wi-Fi. Priority =1. In the command given above, just replace your Wi-Fi name with the name of the Wi-Fi you noted down. If you have a long list of networks that you use regularly, you can also change the priority of all of them. For doing so, you will have to change the priority value in step 3. Thus, if you want to set a network to have the second best priority, you will need to put the priority value as 2. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.